Hello children, I hope you all are staying home and staying safe. Welcome back to the Value Education class, and today we are going to start with a new lesson, and the name of the lesson is Be Cheerful. Now what do you mean by being cheerful? Being cheerful means being happy. You always try to be happy, and also you spread happiness. That means you are cheerful, right? Whenever people see you, they all feel good. They all also feel happy. So today we are going to start with the lesson named Cheerful. And be cheerful, strive to be happy. We should be always cheerful and always try to be happy. So here is the lesson. So before the lesson starts, again here the lesson also elaborates the meaning of being cheerful, right? Here it again says that the feeling of happiness, making others also happy, and being happy is what cheerful called. As we all wish happy birthday, happy new year, hello, good night, and also cheers when we sit and drink tea together. So these all activities, these all greetings, these all are the ways to wish you happiness, right? So here we are going to study about a boy named Pranshu who used to study in class 5. Pranshu was a student of class 5 and he always kept smiling. He was very cheerful. He never wanted to lose a chance to smile, because when we smile at someone, the other person also smile at us. So like this we spread happiness and smiles around us. And whenever we see a happy face, we also feel very much happy. So whenever he used to do something wrong, he used to confess it. वो तुरंत अपनी गलती को मान लेता था, and he always tried to clarify the thing, how it happened, and always told the truth to the person कि भाई मेरे से ये गलती हो गई है, and this is all what happened. So he, if in case he commits any mistake, he used to tell the truth, and then also promised that he will not repeat the mistake again, and again he started smiling. So this was his way of living the life, that if he is wrong also, then he'll accept his fault, and again he'll live a cheerful life. So like this he was always loved by others. These activities which he used to do made him a very favorite one of everyone. You can also be friend with anyone around yourself if you have these qualities. You can also, like if you are traveling somewhere, then also if you are very happy, spreading smile, very jolly, and you are easygoing with everyone, then you can again make friends around. Like if you are going and traveling and you are busy with your phone and you are fighting with everyone and you are misbehaving, then no one will like you. No one is gonna like you. But when you are cheerful, you are spreading smiles, you are sharing jokes, you are talking, you are just removing the boredom of the passengers, it is but obvious that everyone will love you. And if you have this habit of being cheerful, spreading happiness around, you will be loved everywhere, not only in school, when you all will grow up, when you all will pursue your career. What is the career? The career is the time period when you work, right? So when you will start working also, and if you have this habit, you will be loved by your colleagues. Now who are colleagues? the people along with whom you all will be working, जिनके साथ आप काम करोगे, right? So you'll be loved by your boss, by your colleagues. So if you have this habit, you'll be the most lovable person around. So we should learn to be happy and spread happiness. Cheerfulness leads to success in life, because if everyone will love you, they'll love talking to you, they'll love sharing things with you, they'll love giving you responsibilities. So like this, you'll have a very successful life. Open your eyes, see the beautiful sky, clouds saying hello and birds saying hi. Look how pleasant it is, everything around here, all yellow and bright, filling today with cheers. So whenever you wake up also, कुछ लोग कहते हैं अरे क्यों उठ गए हैं, इतना गंदा मौसम है. So instead of criticizing anything, you should be thankful to God that today when you open the eyes, there is a beautiful sky, there are clouds to say you hello, the birds are also saying you hi, and everything is so pleasant, because whatever you have, maybe someone is like longing for all those things. So whatever you have, you should be thankful to God, and you should be happy with whatever you have. Be cheerful no matter what. Pray all the time. Thank God no matter what happens. You should always be cheerful, चाहे कुछ भी हो जाए. And you should always pray to God and thank God for the life, for the things which He has given to you, because many people are not getting the things which we are getting. So we should be very much thankful to God for that, and we should be happy always for that God has given us. Now coming back to the fill in the blanks of this chapter, the very first fill in the blanks is a cheerful person gives everyone a feeling of happiness, because cheerful means being happy. We are happy and we spread happiness around. So a cheerful person gives everyone a feeling of happiness. We say dash or dash to somebody to welcome them. So when we try to welcome them, what do we say? We say hi or hello. We say hi or hello to somebody to welcome them. Now the third fill in the blanks. Everybody calls Pranshu a dash boy. Pranshu was a cheerful boy. So everybody calls Pranshu a cheerful boy. Now the fourth fill in the blanks. His smiling face dash everybody. His smiling face attracts everybody, because he used to always smile and everyone was very much amused कि ये तो हमेशा खुश रहता है, कितना अच्छा बच्चा है ना. So like this, people used to get attracted towards him. So his smiling face attracts everybody. Now the last fill in the blanks. Being cheerful as well as making others cheerful makes a work dash and dash. It makes the work smooth and easy going. अगर आप cheerful हैं and आपका माहौल means the surrounding where you are working, उसको भी आपने cheerful बना रखा है, then the things work very smooth, because अगर हम happy हैं, खुश हैं, तो काम अच्छे से करते हैं, right? So being cheerful as well as making others cheerful makes a work easy going and smooth. Thank you children, and have a good day.